Hello, everybody!
Hey guys, for today we're going to go on a nature walk that will be much needed. I think it's really nice to go outside and just experience of what beautiful nature God has done. So we're gonna go outside and walk around in a nature place that you walk on. And then we might pass by the mall. I'll keep you updated on that because the nature walk is really close to the mall. So we might do that, but it just depends how we're feeling or how sweaty we are after the nature walk. So yeah, Florida's really hot. Today it's 78 degrees and it's February 26th. So let's do this. Okay, so we made it to our nature walk. Now we're just walking through the bridge, strolling. There's a lot of air, so it's not too hot, but hopefully it stays like this and it doesn't get hotter along the day. I feel like we're hiking through the wilderness in Florida, in the swamps. It's been less than 2 minutes and she's already sitting. She's taking a pit stop. Mommy, come on!
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh my god.
You know what? I love Florida. Just beautiful.
Florida is a she?
Yes, I love it.
She's practicing her English on you guys. Guys, this is so nice. Everything is just so beautiful and so gorgeous and natural, and it's so amazing. So there's people walking, there's people walking their dogs, just, you know, coming along just to take some time from their day. There's my mom. They're just taking some time from their day to be happy and just take some time to relax and find peace in this nature walk. So yeah, it's really, really nice. I like it. It's so pretty. I like it. And then here, I guess you can take two different paths. Which one is the right one? Who knows? I bet you're gonna tell us. Okay, so we took the right bridge, so let's see where this takes us to. Hopefully something pretty. Do you guys see the fish? I don't know if you can see it because I can't see anything in the camera, but oh, right there, and I can see it. Whoa, those are some big fishies. That is so pretty. So I guess the right bridge was the wrong bridge because it just took us to the exit. So now we're walking back and going to take the left. It's really windy, so I don't know if you guys can hear anything that I'm saying, but we're going to take the left path so that it can take us to whatever is on the other side. And yeah, but at least the right path took us to see those fishies that were back there. Those were really cute. There were so many. There were like 20 of them. That's so cute. And they were so big. Oh, there's poo-poo on the floor. Okay, so now we're taking the way back. I guess that's what both ways led, just back to the car, to the parking lot. So I guess God didn't want us to go through anything else. So he was like, girl, you're done walking for today. So I was like, amen, Jesus. So we're just going back and we're gonna go get in our car and go to the mall. I made it to Sephora. So prom season is here, and guess what? These dresses are gorgeous. Wait. Okay, that prom dress was like $250. So, yeah, I put it away very quickly and walked away even quicker.